back with another video. First things first, if you're new here, and if you are returning, what is up? Thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Okay. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 fall drinks that I have been enjoying ever since the season came in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Definitely going to be making these all throughout the rest of the year because they are great drinks to, drink during the holidays, but they're also just great drinks to drink in general. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, so the first cozy drink that we're making is one for all my tea lovers out there. It's a vanilla chai tea latte. So what I did was I filled this pot up with water and then I added a chai tea bag, 2 tablespoons of sugar and some vanilla. And then I stirred all of this up and brought it to a boil on top of the stove. And once all the flavors were married together, I just went ahead and poured it in my glass and then topped it off with some heavy whipping cream. And it is as easy as that. This next drink is the most popular when it comes to the fall season. It is the homemade pumpkin spice latte. So what I'm doing here is I'm pouring the milk inside the pot, and then I filled this cup with my coffee that I use every single day. You can use whatever coffee you'd like. And then we put in 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, any maple syrup you like. You can also use like agave and whatever sweetener you prefer. And then I added 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And this isn't traditionally in your pumpkin spice latte, but your girl had to switch it up a bit, so I added some vanilla in there just for a little extra flavor. And once you're finished stirring that up, you want to go ahead and place this on the stove and bring it up to a simmer. And then once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and mix it in with your brewed coffee. Now this part is completely optional, but your girl is a little extra, okay? So I decided to take my handheld frother and I frothed up the pumpkin mixture that we made on the stove just to give it a little foam. Then I poured it on top of my coffee, and there you have it, your pumpkin spice latte. Alright y'all, now this one is for the adults. This is the one where you put your kids to sleep and you make it for yourself to cozy in for the evening. It is the spiked apple cider. I poured apple juice into this pot. I added some Star Anise and 3 cinnamon sticks, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. I did 2 orange slices, and then the best part, in my opinion, I did 1 ounce of brandy. You can do any alcohol or liqueur that you'd like. Brandy was all I had. You could also do whiskey. Whiskey would be good. Or you could also just completely leave the alcohol out of this. It's still a great recipe to have without it as well. And the final drink is a classic drink that we all grew up having, but with a fall twist. We are making caramel apple cider floats. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding ice cream into my glass, and you can have as little or as much as you'd like. Your girl decided to treat herself, so I had 3 scoops of ice cream. And then I drizzled the ice cream with the caramel sauce that I had, and I poured the sparkling apple cider on top. This is a drink that you would not expect to be good because you're like, ice cream and apple cider, like what? It does sound like a weird combination, but trust me, it is very delicious and you should definitely try it. Alrighty guys, well that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe, stick around for a while because I'd love to have you. There's lots more fun videos to come. Again, I thank you guys so much. Don't forget that you are blessed and go out there and be a blessing to others. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video.
Know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way.